Get a bag and I'm out, yeah. Shorty on my lap now, yeah. You playing with the game now.
Yo, blast off, Astro.
Flip a bag, now I'm serving in Tesla. Got my bag, shawty with me, I stepped up. GTA for the ops, ain't no less stuff. Let's do this. Flip a bag, now I'm serving in Tesla. Got my bag, shawty with me, I stepped up. GTA for the ops, ain't no less stuff. Shawty born to be my angel, yeah, I'm blessed up. Cooking right up in the stool, got a cheddar fan. Yeah, I'm watching out for ops, yeah, they not my friends. People treat me like I'm Sony, cause I got some bands. Was a loner that was hustling, now I'm feeling stands. I've been sticking to my paper like I am a staple. I ain't going back to sleep.
Right, instant, innit? Shit, man. Very talky, innit?
Yeah.
So what have you done to the car?
So as of yet, it's all cosmetic stuff. I've had a front splitter on from Maxon Designs put on. I've changed the wheels up to CM Pretoria 18-inch reps. I've had a res delete from LSG Performance. And then other than that, it's just all cosmetic stuff. As you can see, I've had a steering wheel retrim as well.
Yeah.
That was provided by DSG Accessories.
What about them paddle shifters?
They're just cheap eBay ones, not on special. But I do know that DSG Accessories, who did the steering wheel retrim, they sell them now. But yeah, they're the racing line replicas. Whereas they're like £200, these are 25 quid. So
Yeah, worth it.
save the money where you can, you know.
Yeah, you might as well. Yeah, what is it like shifting on the paddles?
Yeah, it sounds.
Is it instant?
It's instant, yeah.
I know a lot of cars are very slow on the paddles.
Yeah, it's pretty instant. Obviously, when the time's right, I want to go stage 1 R-Tech. So obviously with the gearbox tune, that should make it even quicker.
Yeah.
Hopefully I'll be running about 380 then. So I am running stock power at the minute. Like.
Yeah. Do you reckon anything different though with the res delete?
There's a lot more pops and bangs. You do get the snarls off people when you drive like that, though. So you get the understeer now and again, but you get that in like worse conditions. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If you dry or if it's spitting like this, you sound.
You in Warrington?
Me?
Yeah.
Customs.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm sponsored by them. Yeah. So.
Oh, you see then. Yeah.
So,
no, I was just saying we literally clocked it the other day, didn't we?
Yeah.
That it was there. We never knew about it, and we literally just seen the unit.
Yeah. So sponsored by Ultimate Customs. Yeah, based in London. There's one coming behind me as well. I'm just gonna have to put it in here.
That might be a good place for a photo shoot. This. It's a nice little compact place, isn't it?
You know what? It might be right there.
You know, perfect.
Bent it.
You're welcome.
Bent that.
Do you want to take photos here? Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get some shots
Yeah.
here.
Do you want me to?
counting in my head, I'd say about, I don't know, I feel like about 4.5 or something, 4.5. What is it quoted? This
So
360?
So stock is, I think it is 4.5. When you go stage 1, you look like you can get into the 3s, like top end 3s, 3.8, 3.9.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm yet to, what I want to do before I go stage 1 is get the draggy box, do a stock run, see what I can get. Yeah, of course, that's a good sound, isn't it? Right.
60. Yeah, launching this is this a thing? Can you just launch and launch and launch this with no issues, kind of thing?
I wouldn't like to, but you can. Yeah, you can just launch it as much as you want. No, it doesn't give way there.
Oh, it's not. I was like,
Yeah.
It's in there.
You that. Oh, that was a horrible junction, wasn't it?
Yeah.
See, that's not full throttle, that either. That's like 50%, you know what I mean?
Yeah. That launch was powerful, like. Yeah, but it didn't feel powerful, but the speed was absolutely like flying up. I was like,
yeah, you can get in trouble quite quickly, you know. Surprisingly, not that many issues in it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Pulled over a few times. I had more issues than the BM, but I think that had a marker on it, to be honest. I was literally getting pulled once a week in it.
I stepped up, GTA for the ops, ain't no Leicester. Shawty born to be my angel, yeah, I'm blessed up. Cooking right up in the stool, got a cheddar fan. Yeah, I'm watching out for ops, yeah, they not my friends. People treat me like I'm Sony, cause I got some bands. Was a loner that was hustling, now I'm feeling stands. I've been sticking to my paper like a